In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush membership. Whether you're looking to pause your membership or simply not finding it useful anymore, this guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use to surf the internet. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this is crucial for completing the upcoming steps without any interruptions. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Semrush. Hit Enter or Return, and you should see Semrush's official website at the top of the search results. Click on that link, and it will take you directly to Semrush's homepage. Now, if you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do so. You can find the login button usually at the top right corner of the Semrush homepage. Click on it and enter your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet and are just exploring, you might need to sign up first to proceed. But since our focus is on cancellation, I'll assume you're already a member. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the Semrush dashboard. You'll find your profile icon there. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options available, select Subscription Info. This will guide you to a page detailing your current subscription plan. While on the subscription details page, look carefully for an option that says Cancel Subscription. This feature will initiate the cancellation process for your membership. It's important to note that if you're currently on a free account, you might not see the cancel option here. In this scenario, what you'll need to do is find and click on Contact Us. This will give you the means to reach out directly to Semrush's support team, where you can request to have your account canceled. And that's it! You have successfully gone through the process of initiating a cancellation request for your Semrush membership. Keep in mind that support teams generally send a confirmation email after the cancellation is processed. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations from Semrush. Remember, if you're encountering any issues or have further questions during this process, reaching out to their customer service is always a helpful step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.